So the SignalMA Bull and Bear signal, it has a weight of 0.3 in the Big Bull Expert, and so basically how it works is that it uses two different moving averages, right? And whatever the slowest one, the one with set to 4, that's the fast one. We call that the bullish signal, moving average, right? And the slower one set to 12. And this is all configurable, and we call that the bearish one, right? And so the idea is whenever the bullish one is above the bearish one, we start buying, and whenever it's below, we start selling. And that's the general premise of it. That's it.